Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am back with another recipe. Today I am going to show one of the mostly prepared South Indian recipe, Rava kesari. For this, in a big wide pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, let it melt, and fry 3 tablespoons of cashew nuts. Fry till they turn aromatic. Add 3 tablespoons of raisins. Fry them nicely and take it off in another container. In a same pan, fry 1 cup of semolina or rava. Roast it in a low flame till it turns nice aromatic. After this, I am adding 3 cups of hot water. For 1 cup of rava, you should add 3 cups of hot water. Mix it nicely so that there are no lumps formed inside it. If you add cold water, you will end up with lot of lumps of semolina. So please use hot water. In this, I am adding 1 tablespoon of food color, that is orange color. Usually kesaris are in orange color. Give it a nice mix and let it cook till it is soft and nice in texture. To this, I am adding 1 cup of sugar. If you want to increase the sweetness, you can even add 1.5 cup. But 1 cup is a mild sugar for this rava kesari. Give it a nice mix and cook it. After sugar is melted and mixed into the rava kesari nicely, now add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Give it a nice mix and cook it for another 2 or 3 minutes. After cooking for a while, you can notice a light ghee on the edges of the pan and it also loosens the edges. You can even add little more ghee to it. Now at this point add 1/4 spoon of cardamom powder and roasted dry fruits. Give it a nice mix and serve it hot. This is a basic version of rava kesari. There are many varieties in this. I will show in another video. That's it for the video. Hope you all like my video. Meet you with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.